7 लोगों ने ज्वाइन कर लिया है, एक और कोई बाकी है, 8 लोग थे ना ग्रुप पे। आई थिंक राहुल इज रिमेनिंग। राहुल बच्चा है। ये देख लेते हैं 2 मिनट। हाँ, रोशन आप शेयर कर देना तो फिर स्क्रीन शेयर।
हाँ मैं एक्चुअली टॉपिक देख रहा हूँ, 1 मिनट, अभी 2-4 आए हुए ना उसमें से करता हूँ।
और ये सेशन रिकॉर्ड भी कर रहे हैं हम, बाकी लोगों को रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर कर देंगे। 40 मिनट्स का सेशन है, स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं।
टॉपिक तो रिवील करें यार, 1 मिनट देते हैं। ये विजिबल है क्या, ये जो मैंने भेजा है ग्रुप में इसमें?
नहीं अभी तो कुछ नहीं आया है।
नहीं, स्क्रीन अभी आ नहीं।
अब भी मैंने इसमें चैट बॉक्स में भेजा है कि उसमें देखो स्क्रीनशॉट है।
अच्छा, स्क्रीनशॉट डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा गाइस, स्क्रीन पे नहीं आएगा। सौरभ को तो अलाउ तो कर दिया है मैंने।
कौन रहेगा मुझे? नहीं तो एक काम करता हूँ, मैं ना ये कर देता हूँ, अपना स्क्रीन शेयर कर देता हूँ यहाँ से।
हाँ, स्क्रीन शेयर कर दो तो स्क्रीन पे ही आ जाएगा।
हाँ, उसके बाद नोट कर लेना 2 मिनट में, और फिर उसके बाद हम टाइम ले लेंगे डिस्कस के लिए।
सौरभ आप फोन वाले विंडो से लेफ्ट कर दो। ठीक है,
एक्चुअली जो होस्ट है उसने डिसेबल किया हुआ है होस्ट।
अच्छा, स्क्रीन शेयरिंग मेरी तरफ से इनेबल करना है क्या?
हाँ उसको इनेबल करो पहले।
एक सेकंड रुको, चलो मैं आपका स्क्रीनशॉट अपने स्क्रीन पे।
Rahul is not coming. If Rahul is not coming, तो I think
राहुल नहीं आ रहा है।
हाँ तो किसी और को बुला लेते ना, अपन मैसेज कर देते हैं, 1-2 पर्सन।
कोई आएगा नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक, अगर कोई ज्वाइन करेगा तो, वरना अपन साथ हैं, अपन भी कर सकते हैं स्टार्ट नेक्स्ट
हाँ
सेशन।
लिंक तो है,
लिंक तो है ही ना।
हाँ तो मैं एक बार मैसेज कर देता हूँ, या फिर
हाँ,
आप लोग मैसेज करना चाहो।
हाँ लिंक मैसेज करता हूँ कि 2 वैकेंसी है अभी। टॉपिक ठीक है ना ये?
इसमें जो रेस्टोरेंट है वो ओनर का ही है ना?
हाँ कितने पे स्टार्ट करें?
अभी 10:39 हो रहा है ना, 10:46 पे हम स्टार्ट कर देंगे, 7 मिनट्स ले लेते हैं, 10:45 पे कर देंगे।
10:45 पे करते हैं। कोई और आ तो नहीं रहा ना अब, फिर बाद में नहीं
कोई
तो
नहीं
फिर
है।
टाइम देना पड़ता है। लिंक कोई पूछ रहा है? नहीं, ठीक।
Yeah, I think we can start now.
Yes.
Yes,
I think everybody has noted down their
Can I?
points.
Okay. Can I introduce?
Yes,
Now you can remove this unshare. You can remove.
you can remove. One. Okay.
it's fine. Please start the
Yes,
introduction.
Deepak.
So can I start?
Yes, move ahead, please.
Yes. So good morning, friends. I am Deepak Kumar, and I would like to introduce the today's group task topic that is given to us. So in my opinion, today's group task topic is quite challenging. So if we work as a team, then only we can reach to any solid and valid conclusion in the end. So first, let me give you a brief overview. Like there is a business expansion work is we have to do. Like there is a restaurant in a certain location, and there is mentioned in the point is like some vacant area in near the restaurant and also in the top floor, and top floor is also vacant. So basically we have to, so in this task basically we have to focus on four things. First we have to decide like in the vacant area, like that is in front of the restaurant, what we can do, what how can you use this, how can we can use this vacant area. And second, we have to also think about the top floor of the restaurant, like what is the best thing in the top floor of the restaurant that is beneficial for that place to expand our business. And third thing is like we have to think about the how expansion work, like expansion work, how we can expand our business. And fourth thing is like how we should advertise our these whatever we are opening at that place, so how we can advertise in the public. So these on the four we have to discuss. So now I will open the house.
Yeah, I think I have made some points. I have made some point for the business and the advertising. I think we have to first create a model of the restaurant, uh, and we have to hire a managerial skilled person who can manage all those things. I think in the top floor, which is a vacant, we can open for the a beer bar, because it is a more attractive for the persons. It is a more attractive, which come under the government norms and rules, not as a local beer bar. And we have to make a beer bar which come under the government norms and rules. Or we can open a sweet houses. And for the advertisement, we have
Vishnu, your voice is very low. Actually, your voice is very low.
Yes.
yes, now clear.
Okay, we will try to understand. Speak.
Okay.
Now clear?
Now
So what
let
I
me
think
take my turn.
Yes, please, Amrish.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Two
So,
points to note
according
down.
to me,
Bro, in 1 minute, this and we can open the sweet shops which can be opened at the top floor. And for the advertisement, this should follow the discount model of the business. This should follow the discount model for business. For the new people will come in the name of the discounted, and advertisement in the local newspaper. And for the extension of the business, we can contact with the Zomato and Swiggy also. This will be help in the expansion of the business. We can do our business on the online platform, which can by the way, we can explore more people by doing the online businesses. Like all the digital, we can expand our business.
Okay. Then,
Yes, Amrish,
according
please.
to me, yes, according to me, we have to utilize a nearby area of the restaurant. So we can utilize in a certain way that we can create a multi-level parking system floor wise, because parking is the biggest issue if that restaurant contains so many shops. So if we provide a multi-level parking system, then there will be no problem, and people can easily be coming to there, and there will be no issue of parking system.
Amrish,
And
what I
for the
think.
yes,
I
Yes, please,
think,
please.
please.
Go ahead.
yeah, and my voice is clear now.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
clear.
So talking about the top floor, then top floor we can give rent to the MNC's headquarter office, because it is on the top, so it can be utilized peacefully for certain and top secret meetings, because no one will be go to the top floor except those who hired that place. And
Amrish, what
for
you
the
are saying is absolutely correct. But
let
what
me
I
finish first.
guess.
Let me finish
Yes,
first,
yes,
no?
please. Yes, please.
And for the advertisement purpose, so for the advertisement purpose, we can utilize the nearby area in another way, that like we have so many festival in the Indian culture.
Actually,
So
we should discuss one
we
by
can
one. Like first we have
organize.
this is not our place, then we should go for advertising.
It is kind of discussion now, so we can go ahead with simultaneously. What I think, guys, you are absolutely saying correct, Amrish. But what I think, it is all about the like what we are having. We are having a so much precious resource, that is the property, and we are just allotting the parking slots there. That is kind of may गाड़ियां आए गाड़ियां ना आए, cars आए park होने के लिए cars ना आए.
Saurav, then
और
what is your point? What is your point? What are you
what I
suggesting?
think, what I think, फ्रंट स्पेस अपने पास है, बैक स्पेस अपने पास है. एक तो अपने पास नीचे का फ्लोर है, एक अपने पास ऊपर का फ्लोर है. फाइन,
नीचे के
टॉप
फ्लोर
फ्लोर
पे
है.
ऑलरेडी रेस्टोरेंट है.
Restaurant.
नहीं, नीचे
We
के
have
फ्लोर के
vacant
पास
for
में
the
थोड़ा
only
स्पेस है.
top floor.
Yes.
नीचे के फ्लोर पे
So
थोड़ा
let
स्पेस.
let him
What I
complete.
think,
I think let him complete first.
yes,
Then
what I think, guys, यदि अपन को बिजनेस एक्सपैंड करना है, तो नीचे के फ्लोर पे हम बना सकते हैं काइंड ऑफ फैमिली टूर, कि कोई हमारे लिए पिकनिक के लिए आए, पिकनिक के लिए पूरी फैमिली लेके आए. जैसे हम नीचे बना देंगे स्विमिंग पूल्स भी हम ना 3 या 4 टाइप के बना सकते हैं, बॉयज के लिए, गर्ल्स के लिए, फैमिली के लिए, या कॉमन स्विमिंग पूल. फाइन, तो बहुत कन्वीनियंट रहेगा. कोई भी आएगा, आने से पहले सोचेगा नहीं, उसको सब काइंड ऑफ स्विमिंग पूल मिल जाएंगे. हम टी शॉप बना सकते हैं, कॉफी शॉप बना सकते हैं नीचे के साइड.
वो तो ऑलरेडी हो गई. टी शॉप और कॉफी शॉप तो ऑलरेडी हो गई ना. इतनी बड़ी अगर पार्किंग, इतनी बड़ी अगर वो बिल्डिंग है,
रेस्टोरेंट है वो. In the
इट्स फाइन.
restaurant
यदि
है
वो
तो
रेस्टोरेंट में भी होता है, इट्स फाइन. वी कैन थिंक इन डिफरेंट मैनर. एंड इफ यू टॉक
इस
अबाउट द टॉप
रेस्टोरेंट
फ्लोर,
में कॉफी शॉप नहीं होता है. रेस्टोरेंट में कॉफी आपको ऑर्डर
Exactly.
कर सकते हो, आप सर्व कर
Yes,
सकते
yes.
हैं, लेकिन कॉफी शॉप
Coffee-
डेडिकेटेडली जैसे
coffee
सीसीडी
shop
होता है
is
ना, उस टाइप
kind
की
of-
वो बात है.
एग्जैक्टली, कॉफी शॉप इज काइंड ऑफ हैंगिंग ऑन. गाइस जा रहे हैं, बॉयज जा रहे हैं, दे आर हैंगिंग ऑन, है ना. फाइन. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द टॉप फ्लोर पे हम बना सकते हैं सिनेमा. फाइन. सिनेमा क्या होगा कि लोग आएंगे, सिनेमा में मूवीज देखेंगे, खाना खाएंगे. इट विल बी काइंड ऑफ विन-विन सिचुएशन फॉर अस इन बोथ द सिनेरियो. हमको एंटरटेनमेंट गेम जोन बना सकते हैं. वहाँ पे वीएक्स बॉक्स होते हैं, बहुत कॉस्टली भी होते हैं, और हमको अच्छा खासा प्रॉफिट भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि बस हमको सिस्टम सेटअप करना होगा. हमको काफी अच्छा पैसा मिल सकता है. हम स्नूकर्स है, टीटी टेबल है, हम ये सब कुछ ऊपर टॉप फ्लोर पे लगा सकते हैं. अलॉन्ग विद दैट हम आइसक्रीम शॉप खोल सकते हैं. इफ वी आर नॉट like justified with each other, kind of we are not going to open coffee shop, तो हम आइसक्रीम शॉप खोल सकते हैं. और if we talk about the advertisement, how we are going to advertise food fun forever, 24/7 availability, food fun forever, we are here for your satisfaction, kind of this kind of हम दे सकते हैं.
Okay.
yeah,
I would
okay,
like
Saurabh, I agree
for-
most of your points. Now I have a different view of the given situation. First of all, we have given the nearby space of the restaurant and then the top floor. So we have to first come with the idea that if we are going to the expansion of that restaurant only in the shops nearby, or we can go with some other related business also. Okay, first we have to discuss on that. And if we are
actually-
choosing restaurant to expand,
Actually, I think in the statement it is written that he wants to open other shops other shops
Yeah,
Diversified
actually.
business
are
models.
definitely different than
I think
And
restaurant.
it will be a multi-level building, no?
Yeah, it
I
will.
think
Multi-level
then
Suppose
building.
we
I
all
think in
face
the
these
nearby
We
kind
should
of
all
We have
we all face
we
multi-top
should
these
also
kind of
open a
restaurants in our
guest house
nearby.
or type of things at the top floor.
yeah,
Guest house
Okay,
type
Yeah,
of
let
things at top floor.
but no,
Roshan
no.
put
Let
first.
me
we have
complete. Let me complete.
Yes, yes, Roshan,
The,
please.
the first point is what we are going for. Either we can expand our whatever is the business we have, we can expand that by increasing the sitting
yes,
area, by offering the catering service, tiffin service, by collaborating with the services like Zomato, Swiggy, and giving the
yes,
delivery services. In this way, we can advertise also and can expand our business also. And if
and
it is
also
about
by
open
increasing
top,
natural beauty
uh,
of the nearby
Priyanshu,
area.
let me complete, then we'll give a proper time. For
Okay.
open surface like on top floor, we can manage a open cafe like in most of the areas in cities which see that open cafe where people like to hang out in open, where we can offer some, as Saurabh has said, that we can offer some ice cream stalls open in open space only, so that it will be like give a new kind of experience to the customer, and this will help us to popularize our restaurant in the area and the vicinity of that. And as far as our advertisement is concerned, I think in today's world, advertisement is not that tough part. We can use online sources, digital marketing, newspapers, and even offering the free coupons with the e-market, e-delivering service, so that people will visit our restaurant and will offer some discount on that. So these things I think we can do, and we can expand our business.
Roshan, what you are saying is absolutely correct. Like how kind of coupons? If you are coming to our game zone, we are going to give you 10% off on the
Yeah,
bill
actually.
of the restaurant, and along with
Yeah.
the some coupons for the next visit also. It will
Yeah, we
attract the
can
customers
fix it
also.
according to the, we should not suffer any loss, and we can marginalize our profit for some time, so that we can advertise and expand, and after that we will think about the profits and all.
Yes,
So
Priyanshu.
so guys, what
Let
you all
let
are
guys, let the
If we
Priyanshu
can
speak.
open,
Let the
Yeah,
if
Priyanshu
we
Priyanshu.
speak.
can,
Yes,
yeah, go
my
on, point.
point is that we can keep top floor for the general public. They can enjoy the top view of the surroundings, and they can really enjoy of the top view from in the top floor for rent for the night, whole night. And the surrounding area we can use by increasing its natural beauty like gardening, swimming pool, along with some smaller shops like coffee shop, tea shop, we have said. So by increasing like that, because people will be very much attracted to the natural beauty along with these types of things to the from if it is on the roadside, people will attracted to the smaller types of things, then they will automatically go into the restaurant and will want to enjoy the things really.
Okay, Priyanshu. I
Guys,
would also
I
like
think
to.
like
we
yes,
can do
Yeah,
one
Also
yes.
thing.
like to add
Yeah,
some points.
yeah,
Like
we
say,
can
guys,
do one more thing.
if we have a restaurant, okay, it is a well-running
Guys,
restaurant, and surrounding area is also empty, and top floor is also open for the business. Okay, so as a restaurant owner, I am connected to the food industry. Okay, I am doing my business on the food, so I would like to use my experience in expanding my business, which is related to the food and the parties. Like in my restaurant, people generally come for the parties, dinners. Okay, so for the top floor, I will convert it. I would like to convert it into cafeteria area, such like if there is a birthday party, suppose they can book the top floor. Okay, so that would be the source of income, as well as a coffee shop for coffee cafeteria area for my business. Okay, suppose if there is a party function, okay, I will reserve a particular area, okay, for that party, and rest of the area of the top floor can be utilized as cafeteria area, as we see in many restaurants they have adopted this plan. And for the surrounding area which is empty, we can open a sweet shop. One of our members suggested this on the top floor, but from the safety precautions, fire hazards can happen. Okay, so it is always advisable that you put all your fire auxiliaries on the ground floor, so it is accessible in the case of emergency. Okay, so in the surrounding area we can open sweet shop, because a
Shubham,
restaurant with a sweet shop, because a restaurant with a sweet shop is a good source of branding. Okay, sweets are.
I think a restaurant itself contains a sweet shop and whatever food items we are
Yes,
considering.
that is
I think
okay. Suppose a
See
particular sweet.
what happened that
a particular.
one floor is already
Yes.
actually
One floor
why
is
not
already
we should also think in this manner also, like opening of bar and pub in the ground floor
Yeah,
by giving
I
first,
have mentioned
first
this
our
Yeah.
priority is to
first
giving the
Yeah,
We can-
actually.
first our priority is giving the parking system, like a
That,
good
that,
parking
that
system.
that is what I was suggesting, that we open a sweet shop on the ground floor, and the top floor of that area can be utilized as a bar or a pub. Okay, so the
Yeah.
public
This will
which is
attract
adult
the young
can go
people more.
upstairs and enjoy there, and the local sweet shop in the locality of that area would be a good source of branding and advertisement of all the other shops related to the brand. Okay, suppose
What I
we
think,
have a
And-
brand. Now we have a pub with that brand name, and we have a sweet shop with that brand name. Now sweets are selling at festival, so that is automatically related to the branding of restaurant and my cafeteria area also. And also,
And
as
also,
our
I think-
members suggested, we
Yes,
can
yes.
utilize Zomato, Swiggy as third-party apps to sell our products. Okay, and we can also offer the cross-product discount offers. Like if you eat at a restaurant, you can use the discount coupon to buy sweets, and you can get discount on booking your ceremonies at our cafeteria area. These are my
Shubham, what you
suggestions.
are saying is absolutely correct, but using creating kind of source of things which are not good for the society, like kind of pub and which are drinking bar. What I think, and also this is if we talk about the kind of income source, जो pub है ना, pub के अंदर adult लोग आएंगे mainly, and we are gonna serve them, ठीक है? But if we
No, I
talk
am
about
saying this
kind
will
of
come
very
under
common
the
thing,
government rules.
But pubs
No,
are
No,
the
pub is
government
also
licensed.
getting the
Yeah,
license.
everything
No,
is-
pub is
everything
also
is
getting the
legal.
license
See,
from the government of India.
I understand
Saurabh,
that is
we
legal.
should think as a businessman. We are not an enjoy.
Yes, yes, yes.
As a social
Yes,
worker.
but
See,
if businessman
what
is
we-
also kind of thinking in the name of serving the society, then what's I
No,
don't think so
actually,
something is
Saurav's
wrong.
point is considerable. Saurav's point is considered in the way like we are having a restaurant, and our prior business is a restaurant. So we are
Family.
connected with lot of families. And now,
Yes,
if we are opening a
exactly.
bar in the
Yes,
top floor, most
But
of the
Roshan,
families will not come
Roshan,
to the
But
don't you
It is
think?
gonna,
but Roshan, we
it
are
is gonna
already giving
impact
the
mentality
varieties of
the
One
family
by
But-
one,
to
please.
discounts.
Please
Yes.
take
It
the
is
chance
gonna-
one by one,
yes,
so
No,
that
no.
it can be
it
here
is going to
everyone.
it is going to impact the mentality of the family.
Yeah,
their
actually.
parents, their छोटे बच्चे आएंगे. If we talk about thing of expansion of the business, ऐसी कुछ चीज खोलते कि family आए, खाना खाए, enjoy करे, अच्छा खासा पैसा देके चले जाए. And in the advertisement also we can also give like 10%
But
off on advance
Saurabh,
booking.
but Saurabh, you are only considering
Uske
the
liye-
families. But youngsters mainly
See.
go for the party dinners at the restaurant, and the cafeteria mainly is used by youngsters.
We can
But
think for the cafeteria,
in the
coffee
locality,
shop.
in the
See.
locality, in the locality, if there is no pub or bar, it will be a great idea to open a pub in the
Yes.
separate building. We are
But
opening
it is
in
not
the
mentioned,
second
na?
floor.
It is
What
Yeah,
is-
it is not mentioned
we have
about
not
the
ex-
locality.
But
Yeah,
we have
actually,
not
but
separate building.
it will hamper our jo prior business, whichever we have established in the last whatever time we are in business. It will hamper our that image that this is the restaurant which family can
But
go.
Roshan,
And even
if you
if it
think-
is legalized,
Yes, yeah. If you
Yeah,
I'm
think,
adding one more point.
if you think selling
I'm add-
selling a bottle of beer earns 500 to 1,000 rupees per
Yes.
bottle, it is also equivalent to a restaurant business.
Okay,
If you
other
talk in the
alternative
terms of
option
money.
that I would like to add here is like we
Yes.
should also consult with our with Domino's or Pizza Hut companies. Like if they want to open in the top floor that we have, so we also go for that
No.
also.
But
that
it
would
will
I would like
affect
to
your
add.
business.
I would like to
Yeah.
add one
That
more.
will affect
I
your
would.
business.
I would see. I would like to add one point that
Something.
there are so many Indian festival in the Indian culture. So what we can do that we can organize an annual fair. In that we can we can welcome many brands, and along with that all the fooding items will be provided by our restaurant.
For
So
that,
whatever
yes, yes,
whatever
yes.
the
For-
new items we will open, we will advertisement there only. So it
For
will
that
be
only-
a great idea. I think.
for that only I suggested a sweet shop in the locality, because at festival we can brand our restaurants, our other shops in the name of sweet brand. That is why I am
But
suggesting a
Shubham,
sweet shop.
I think a sweet shop and all these cake, pastry, all these things are included in the restaurant
In
itself.
the
Yes,
restaurant,
Offering,
Yes, yes.
Roshan, a dedicated sweet shop is different than a restaurant sweet. Like you order a gulab jamun in restaurant, but a dedicated sweet
No,
But
sweet
see,
shop is
Shubham,
different than
if we
that.
talk about the
sweet
sweet shop, they may have some kind, मतलब ऐसे कुछ capability होनी चाहिए कि वो
and
फ्यूचर में
sweet
काफी
shop is
expand
already
करे. If we talk
sweet
about
shop is
game
already
zone,
common.
like
yeah,
नहीं
it's
Sweet
वो
shop is
already
already
there.
common. It might
it's
be
fine,
there.
it's fine, it's nothing is bad in that, but अपने पास margin हो कि हम expand कर पाए काफी. Sweet shop में I don't think so कि there is a margin हम expand
And
कर
if
पाए.
you are
Along
a
with
good
that business,
businessman,
I
along with that
think top
business,
floor cinema is a good idea.
if we are running a
In
company,
a unique way
if we are
to expand our
responsible
business.
for if we are responsible for managing the company, तो company की CSR policies होती है, corporate social responsibilities होती है, fine. So I think ये responsible, if we are responsible for a society, so it will be very great for us to like running the business along with the social growth. So
Yes,
if we
yes,
can
friend.
drop the plan
But we should also look upon the profit only because
Profit
also
actually it
because
is a small.
business
It is
will
It's
considered
a
as
it's
kind
a
of budget.
local it's a local business. Now in local business you don't consider that much in the CSR. Okay.
yeah,
In
actually,
locality
you don't have
it
that
business,
much
doesn't matter if we are
profit.
local,
I think
it is
someone
local
said
or it is
Okay,
global, it
guys,
doesn't
guys,
matter, but it's
friend,
CSR
I think
CSR is related to PSUs only, I think.
yeah,
we
yeah.
have discussed a lot of
In
the
I think
different
now
opportunities we can avail. So we should now focus step by step to what we can do and what we will do step by step. And we have
yes,
discussed a lot on the given topic. So first
Okay.
step is if we are going for expansion of the our existing business or our new business. That is the point.
Yeah,
So
I
what
think
is
I
your
have
stand on
noted
that?
something.
We will,
Yes,
I
I
think
think
we
noted
have
something.
we have
On the top floor, we can open some of the things which we have to choose in. We can open a cinema, or we can open the children play equipments. That will be a great
I
thing.
think opening a cinema is lot of cumbersome task for
No,
a restaurant owner.
So
and it will
yes,
be
yes,
not
cinema is
beneficial
not a good
because
option.
I think
in
someone
cinema
said putting a
many
tripod
cinema
somewhere
old
around the
people will be
restaurant
also there, so
business
they might be
option.
not prefer to go to the top
Yes.
for watching.
It will
I think
Okay,
open
so
space
we
area is a
can
good
open a
enough idea.
cafeteria area.
okay, so as I see, many have suggested for the promotion first. If we discuss, the options are vouchers, coupons, cross product coupons, and Swiggy, Zomato, other third party social
Annual
media
annual
Shifting
fair,
to the online services.
annual
and
fair also.
annual
We have to
annual
decide
awareness,
about the top
annual
floor.
annual festivals programs. Okay,
Bro,
okay. These
I think firstly we have,
I
bro,
think
I
all
think
of us
firstly we
agree
have,
on these promotion
Yes.
platforms. Okay,
yes,
now
yes.
the
Yes, yes. One thing that
Top
I would
floor
like to
area.
add here is like for advertisement, we should first increase the visibility of our place. Like suppose someone is searching on his Google about these like
Good
what
restaurant.
restaurant.
that is
So our
included
See,
in
our
the
restaurant
that
our
yes,
restaurant
yes,
name will come
that
on
is
first point
yes,
in the
yes.
list
that
search
is
name.
included. That's why we have
Mm.
organized the annual fair, and we are welcoming the biggest brand in that
Yes.
annual fair. So they will
Now we should
automatically advertise that
yes. Now we
area.
should reach up to the conclusion. What are the other businesses that we are going to
Open
expand?
on the
Okay,
top
like
floor.
apart from restaurant, what are the shops that we are going to open? So as many of
Yeah.
us suggested, a cafeteria. It would be a good idea on the
Cafeteria
top
is a
floor.
good idea. Yes, yes.
And
Cafeteria
second
on
one
the
is
top floor.
second year we can give the
First our first priority will be parking. That one of my friend mentioned. Like parking is very much
multi-level
necessary.
parking. Yes,
Yes, yes.
multi-level
But
parking we can organize.
utilizing a piece
I
of
think
property in
we
multi-level
cannot.
parking won't be that
Yeah,
much
No,
profitable.
no,
and
Deepak,
But
No,
what
no.
I think,
you
See,
have
see.
yes, it is very fine idea for developing the multi-level parking. But what if we go downward? Like we are going to make the parking underground, so we can also utilize the space above the ground and below the ground.
but my
Minus
friends, we
yes,
have to
it is also a good
consider
idea.
that this is a local
See,
business. It is not
it is
a
not
It's a
it is not
local
necessary.
business. It's
It
a
is
yeah.
not
local business.
necessary. See, it is not necessary that all the customers which are coming to our restaurant only will park there. We will welcome nearby the customer also,
Fine.
because parking can be done by everyone. So we can
Yes, yes,
utilize other customer also. No, it will be beneficial for our business. It will become source of income.
No,
And
actually, the
most
point
probably,
is like what kind of area, nearby area we have. Suppose if we have one
Yes.
or two shops, so how will we provide parking facilities?
Parking.
So
But it
and
is not-
parking in local areas, parking responsibility are most of the municipal corporations. And if we indulge in that, I think it will hamper our business. So that I don't think that is a good idea.
No, that's why
See,
we are
in
no,
local,
and you would be
in
getting
the
very less.
locality,
That's why we are
in the
going for-
locality,
that's why we
parking
are-
is a mutual understanding of the customers. Okay, in the local businesses, parking is the mutual understanding of the customers itself. And at
And
a
if you
time,
want-
there are not that much crowd. At a time in the restaurant, there are hardly 20 to 25 customers. Okay, they are not all
Don't-
bringing themselves by
Don't
car.
think
Okay.
about only restaurant. No, don't think about only restaurant. There may be certain other shops also which creates a population in particular
Amrish,
area.
in
So
your
Amrish,
locality,
what you are
there
saying
is
is
a
correct,
there
but
is a
for
in
the-
your
for-
locality there is a street where multiple people are coming every day. They are not facing that much parking problem. So that we have to dedicate a piece of property rather than making profit from
we
it.
are
And
investing
if
a lot of
if
input
there is
and we
a
are getting
very
very less output, so we have to also focus on the productivity. Like Roshan has said only कि यार मतलब है ना पार्किंग के अंदर म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन की रिस्पांसिबिलिटी होती है. We should not indulge. Along with that, if we want to take care of
we
the
are not-
parking, we can go downward.
we are not using the we are not using
one,
the area of the municipal corporation. We are building the multi-level parking.
guys.
That's why in our area. So it will
Yes,
not
Ambrish,
interfere with the
I
saying
feel
correct,
corporation.
absolutely. You are saying correct, absolutely.
Ambrish.
So, guys, what we are doing finally
So,
for the front and for the top, what we are
Guys,
doing for
actually
the
time
front-
remaining
guys,
to the meeting
one
is,
new
to
point.
build
Yes, yes,
a
yes.
swimming pool,
One new point that I would like to add here is
ice cream shop
like
and coffee shop.
so.
For
Shubham,
the-
please
for the-
increase
Please
the
listen,
time.
please listen.
actually
One point
upgrade-
I would like to add
upgrade
here.
time,
Like before opening anything, first we have to see the location. Like first we have to see the what is the target audience. First we have to see like do the survey in that area. Like before opening anything. Like if you want to
Yeah,
open
actually,
a bar or
Deepak's point is correct.
pub, first we have
Yes.
to
The
We have
point is,
survey.
if we are
If
We have
this is a
assumed that-
courageous area, if
we
this
have
is a
assumed that
courageous area, there
profit from our existing business, if we are making good profit from the food business, then we'll go for the expansion. But if we are not that much gaining profit in this business, then we
No,
can
we
think
have
of the
to
other
assume-
and related options also. So
See,
that
we
is
are
a good
given
point
the
from
task.
Deepak.
We are given the task to expand our business on a existing property. So we have to
Yes.
assume that it is already existing in a populated area. That's why we are expanding our business
but
in that
but
area.
if you are opening the bar and pub, then but suppose in that location there is not youngsters will not means target audience will be not more, then by opening that may not help in your business. So
Guys,
first
I
you
think
have to
we are
target audience.
running short of time, so
See,
now we have to come to the
Okay, let
conclusion
us
part.
Yes.
So
let's
Yes.
go
One should
over the
conclude.
points. First, let conclude for the top level shops which we will going to open.
for top level, Shubham has mentioned that open cafeteria with some gaming and
Cafeteria.
food zones.
And
will
I
be
would
a-
like to add. I would like to add that we can rent for MNC's headquarter offices because it will be peacefully conducted at the top.
See,
I think this
Ambrish,
is not the expansion of the business.
MNCs won't like to open the headquarter in local areas. Okay, they will
Yeah,
prefer